let's talk about the Photoshop and the Lightroom. What's the difference in between them? Yeah, and two application, the target is not the same. Lightroom is for photographer and Photoshop for graphic designer. Yeah, and Lightroom you can organize your photos and viewing your photo like this and edit your photo, manipulate your photo in here, and one by one or one to many in here. The manipulation in here quite limit some feature for photo editing, but most of them for photographer that's good enough. Yeah, if you need to do some more editing for your photo, so you can do it in Photoshop. Yeah, in Photoshop you do it one by one, and also they call a destructive processing. That means you directly working on that photo. When you crop a photo like this, you crop it inside here, outside you crop it out, that means gone. When you save it, that means you lost the portion outside the cropping on your photo. Yeah, and also you do the exposure, many things that can be done directly on the photo. Yeah, you can use that both together. That will be the perfect way to do that. And in Lightroom, it's easy to do, easy to use, and you can spend 2 weeks so you can easy to use the Lightroom. And Photoshop introduction can be easy, but master Photoshop is not that easy because they have many theory about the photo, anything, many things can be hard to understand, and you need to spend a lot of time to practice working on Photoshop, and this is the difference in between them. So once again, Lightroom good for photographer, Photoshop for graphic designer. Both together can be the perfect way to do that in here. So I will show you more about them, and the Lightroom and Photoshop, how to use them together and separate individually in here.